Good morning everyone. Today we have to start topic number 5, reconstitution of partnership firm. That is, in that death of partner is there. Already we have to learn admission of partner. Now second thing is what? Death of partner. Death of partner, this is just like of retirement of partner. So in this topic the new thing is gain ratio is there. Okay, calculation of gain ratio, new profit sharing ratio, and already three partners are there and one partner's death arises. That we have to learn today. Now see the meaning that a partner will cease to be a partner on his death, or hence death is considered as compulsory retirement. Suppose that partners, their death arises in the business, then this is what considered as compulsory retirement. Partnership business may be continued by surviving partner if partnership firm makes provision in partnership deed. So partnership firm partners make arrangement to settle account of deceased partner with his legal representative, who will be entitled to their choice to interest at 6% per annum on amount due from date of death to date of payment. So here in this meaning that suppose partnership firm is there, in that suppose three partners are there and one partner's death arises, then what, they have to continue their business, and that type of provisions they have to make in partnership deed. Then here suppose death arises of any partners, then in that partnership firm they have to make arrangement to settle account of deceased partners with his legal representative. That legal representative may be executor, nominee, or administrator is there. So then they have to continue their business. Then in this topic the another important thing is what? Gain ratio is there. Gain ratio means new ratio minus old ratio. Okay, suppose death arises of any partner is there, then what, in that partnership firm their ratio profit sharing ratio will be changed. The ratio, gain ratio means the ratio in which the continuing partners acquire the retiring partner's share is called gain or benefit ratio. Another name is what? Benefit ratio. So gain ratio is calculated by using the formula, that is gain ratio is equal to new ratio minus old ratio. See, suppose death arises, then what? Partners sharing ratio will be changed. Then their new sharing ratio will be increased than the old sharing ratio. So gain ratio is calculated to write off goodwill raised to the extent of deceased or retiring partner's share. So it is calculated to what? To write off goodwill raised to the extent of deceased or retiring partner's share. Then another important thing is what? General reserve. General reserve is distributed in old profit sharing ratio on death of a partner, and it is distributed to all partners on death of a partners. See, एडमिशन ऑफ पार्टनर में हम लोग ने क्या किया है कि जनरल रिजर्व ओल्ड पार्टनर्स में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होता है, लेकिन इन दिस टॉपिक that general reserve is distributed among all partners. Okay, so it is distributed in all profit sharing ratio on death of a partner, and it is distributed to all partners on death of a partner. Then another important thing is what? Profit and loss suspense account. So profit up to the date of partner's death is transferred to profit and loss suspense account. So suppose death arises, then that profit and loss profit transfer to profit and loss suspense account. Then next important thing, the amount due to deceased partners is transferred to his executor oblique nominee oblique administrator loan account, and it is paid to them after completing all legal formalities and procedure. See, suppose death arises, then whatever their amount of share that transferred to his executor, nominee or administrator's loan account, and it is they are completing all the legal formalities and procedure of partnership firm. So in this topic, this important thing is there: gain ratio, then general reserve is distributed, then profit and loss suspense account is there, and suppose death arises, then amount transferred to their nominee's account. By what? By following all legal formalities. Then in this topic, another important thing is here, that accounting treatment. The accounting treatment for preparing account of deceased partner is similar to that of retiring of a partner. So here important thing is gain ratio is there, that is new ratio minus old ratio. So this theory is important for what? Solving objective type of question. So this is also important, that gain ratio is there, then profit and loss suspense account is there, then amount of deceased partner transferred to executor's nominee or administrator's loan account.